I love getting to know people, especially people that are also from Chicago, and learning ways that I can serve my community better. So when I heard that I would be coached into being a teacher, I wanted to take that opportunity to get to know my community better in a way that could be directly with students that are underrepresented and underserved. The biggest benefit for having the Teach for America OneApp resources in a centralized location has really been the mental capacity that I now have free. Mentally and emotionally, teaching throughout the day can be very foggy or clouding, but the OneApp really makes it easy. When I'm in the moment, I'm in front of the kids, I feel a lot more prepared and less rushed mentally.
So moving to Azure really unlocks some new capabilities. The OneApp has allowed us to move from 5,000 unique spreadsheets and 14 different logins to a single streamlined platform. In the old state, we had 6 different things handling identity, which created a cumbersome experience. Now we have shrunk that to a singular identity backbone on Microsoft Entra ID.
What's true today is that I know everything that I'm using is secure. I know that I am using a set of tools that were actually designed with me and the teachers that we're trying to serve in mind.
AI is going to play a big role, not in the world, but also for Teach for America. As you're becoming a teacher, there is a lot for you to know, and now we have built, using Azure AI Foundry, a knowledge bot that will help you as you become a teacher and spend your time in the classroom.
A lot of the day can be filled up with, have I got the lesson at the right time? Am I teaching this the correct way? But resources from OneApp allow me to have that time to really just meet my students where they are so that we have time for positive, fun things. Students, they know that Ms. Russell loves them and wants the best for them. And my biggest dream is that they are able then to replicate that love for themselves and the people around them.